Hey everybody, it's Margot here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a look inside this Holiday Essentials quilt kit. This is so much fun for the upcoming summer season when you have so many things going on. It's a nice size throw. It is 55 by 65, the quilt is, so you could use it as a picnic, you could use it under the stars as you're going to watch a summer movie. Lots of different things you could use it for, your summer concert quilt to sit on outside. So anyway, it's a great quilt kit. I want to show you inside what it is. It's made with all red, white, and blue small print fabric. It comes with the tiny stripes and stars pattern. And inside we have all kinds of stripes and dots. So this white is the background of the whole quilt, and then it gives you lots of all the colorations of the red, white, and blue inside, and tiny stars and stripes to put inside the quilt. This quilt will be so easy to make and so much fun, and easy because it gives you good colorful instructions and step-by-step instructions to make inside. So make this for your holiday fun. Happy sewing!